And let's do this now for the sell side. Mm, we will copy this, paste it right here, change up everything. Lowest low, put, okay, place this here. Okay, changing this here, mode low. This is kind of important. Okay, okay. We can place, no, let's do it this way. I think this is the best way. Um, right here, new low discovered. If this low is lower than the lowest low we just found out, we're saving this and returning the low, normalizing, returning the low, saving it in the lowest low. And yeah, this seems right. Now, same thing. Let's copy it. Swing low is bigger than zero. Yes, buy sell stop. Sell stop. Swing low. Yes, indeed. We will use the bid and take profit will be below it and stop loss will be above it. Expiration. Okay, this seems good. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Okay, I like it when it does that. Well, it's a mess, but we can see that it's placing take profits of the buy stops above and stop loss of the sell orders above it as well. Okay, it should be okay. Yeah, that's probably too close to the price. Yeah, because it's a mess right now, it's really hard to work with this. In the next video, I will include the count orders function and count positions function. In this case, we need only the count orders function, so let's include that now.